Chapter 13. Heritage of India. Introduction. India is a land of rich culture and heritage. From north to south and east to west, all the states of India have their own culture. India is a vast nation with varied physical features and cultures. You have diverse languages, customs, music, dances and dresses. Language. Language is a medium of communication through which people express their views and understand the views of others. There are 27 major languages spoken in India. Almost every state in India has its own language. Hindi is the most common language spoken by the majority of people in India. Literature. India has a vast collection of literature that forms an important part of heritage. This includes religious literature as well as non-religious literature. Books that deal with religion are known as religious literature that includes the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Vedas and the Puranas. Those books that do not deal with religions are known as non-religious literature. These include poems, stories, folk tales, dramas, etc., written by famous writers. Dance. Dance and music are an important part of Indian cultural heritage. There are two types of dance and music: classical and folk. Classical dances. Classical dances require special training and practices. It is performed following the set of rules based on beats and its rhythm. Some of the famous classical dances of India and their states are as follows: Yakshagana, Karnataka; Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu; Odissi, Odisha; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, North Indian states; Manipuri, Manipur. Folk dances. Group of people perform folk dances on special occasion like festivals, harvesting time, marriages, etc. Some of the famous folk dances and their states are as follows: Bhangra and Gidda, Punjab; Nati, Himachal Pradesh; Bihu, Assam; Rauf, Jammu and Kashmir; Ghumar, Rajasthan; Mando, Goa; Tamasha, Maharashtra; Garba and Ras, Gujarat. Music. The classical music is also of two styles: Hindustani and Carnatic. Both types of music are based on ragas. Baiju Bawra, Tansen and Swami Hari Das were among the well-known musicians of India. The flute, sarod, sitar, shehnai are the most popular musical instruments used in classical music. Paintings. Since ancient times, there have been various types of paintings in India. The early humans painted on the walls of the caves where they lived. The scenes from the life of Buddha have been portrayed on the wall paintings in the Ajanta and Ellora caves in Maharashtra. Miniature paintings became popular during the Mughal dynasty. The paintings depict sceneries, hunting, court scenes, battles and scenes from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Architecture. India is very rich in architecture. The ruins of Indus Valley civilization, the Buddhist stupas of Sanchi and Sarnath, the Sun Temple at Konark, temples at Khajuraho, Jain temples at Mount Abu, The Taj Mahal, an enduring monument of love at Agra, the Red Fort at Delhi, and the forts and palaces in Rajasthan are some gems of architectural heritage of India. Dresses of India. The diversity of India can be seen in dresses, the clothes people wear. People living in cities and towns wear modern dresses, while traditional dresses are worn in Indian villages. However, you see many variations in the way of people dress up. The women mostly wear sari and salwar kameez. The ghagra is common in Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The dress worn by Indian men also differ from region to region. The men wear jeans and shirts, pants, kurta pajama and dhoti kurta. The lungi is a popular dress, especially in South India. In Kashmir, men wear salwar kameez and firaq. Festivals. A large number of festivals are celebrated in India. There are mainly three types of festivals in India: national, religious, and harvest festivals. Festivals. National festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day, Teachers' Day. Religious festivals: Diwali, Eid, Dashehra, Christmas, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Guru Parva. Harvest festivals: Pongal, Onam, Bihu, Baisakhi, Holi, Lohari.